Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be doing this full face glam right over here. I am super excited, super pumped. However, this video was gonna be another Indian look with mantika and big old jewels and everything. But yes, I've got a swatch hand. I hope you guys are pumped up as much as I am for this look. And without further ado, let's get right on to it. I'll be starting with the Pacifica Cosmic Beauty Drops as well as Glow Baby Booster Serum. Then I'll be priming my face today with the Fenty Beauty. This is their True Matte Pro Filter Mattifying Primer. For the foundation today, taking NARS Cosmetics. This is their Sheer Glow Foundation in shade Syracuse. And I'm going to go and blend that out with my beauty blender. For this concealer as well as highlight, I'll be taking Kevyn Aucoin the Skin Enhancer in SX07. I could definitely invest in something maybe a shade lighter, but we're going to make this work because this is a bougie concealer. I'm going to go and blend that out very carefully using my beauty blender. For the contour, I'll be taking the e.l.f. Cosmetics. This is their moisturizing foundation stick in shade Coffee. And I'm going to go ahead and apply it wherever I want to contour and then blend it out with the e.l.f. Cosmetics angled brush. To set it all in place, I'll be taking I Heart Revolution Banana Powder. For the rest of the face, I'll be taking Too Faced Amazing Face Powder Foundation. Absolutely love this powder foundation. That's why it's hard to let it go even though the lid has broken off of it. I'm going to go ahead and take that onto a fluffy brush and apply it all over the face. For the bronzer, I'll be taking e.l.f. Cosmetics. This is their Tan Toffee Bronzer. It is pressed mineral bronzer of theirs and I absolutely love the color and pigmentation of this. Taking that onto a bronzer brush by Sigma Beauty. For the contour palette, I'll be reaching for e.l.f. Cosmetics Contour Palette, taking the Too Warmer shade in there and contour my face. For the brightening and highlighting and clean any of the harsh edges of my bronzer, I will be reaching for the lighter shade in there and apply that. For the blush, I'm reaching for Hot Mama by the Balm Cosmetics Blush. And I'm going to go and take that onto a blush brush by Sigma Beauty and apply. Now for the main lid, take any concealer or eyeshadow base of your choice. I am taking LA Girl. This is in Creamy Beige. And I'm going to go ahead and apply that all over my lid and then blend it out with the beauty blender before reaching out for my 35M Morphe Brushes palette, which looks like somewhat like this. I will be reaching for this beautiful green right over here and I'm going to go ahead and pack that into my crease. I'm going to pack it to my like and then slowly start blending out the outer edges with the very same brush. Taking this beautiful light green now on a different brush, which is a little bit more squeezed brush by Morphe, and I'm going to go ahead and apply it and blend it out the outer edges of this rich green that we've got going on onto our crease. Once all blended, I'll be taking then this olive green color onto a more dense brush and apply that and pack it onto my lower lash line. To blend it out, I will be taking the very same light green that we used earlier on our crease to blend. For our main lid color, I'll be taking e.l.f. Cosmetics Liquid Eyeshadow in shade Dirty Martini. This is one of those shades that I actually have purchased not too long ago and wanted to really incorporate into a look, and today was the day. Now going with my Kat Von D Trooper liner, I'm going to go ahead and line and create a bold and long wings today. I will now be taking NYX Cosmetics Professional Eye Makeup Pencil in shade Jet Black to put it in my waterline, and then taking a matte black shadow from this palette on a flat definer shading brush to set it and make it more grungy and more bold look. I will then blend it out with the same brush as well as the shade. Now taking this light shade to apply it on my brow bone for the highlight. For the inner corner highlight, I am reaching for Makeup Revolution. This is their Strobe Highlighter, which is Holographic Lights is the shade, and I'm going to go and pop that into my inner corner. I did have to wet my brush using a MAC Fix Plus to get the most out of it. I'll be setting my face using Pop Cosmetics Makeup Magnet Mist. And then I'll be lining my lips using a nude pencil by NYX Cosmetics before going for Makeup Revolution Cashmere Nude Lipstick. For the gloss, I'll be taking Essence Cosmetics Shine 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 Wet Look Lip Gloss. The shade I have here is 06 Bright On. Absolutely beautiful lip gloss, you guys. Very affordable. Highlight, I am taking Glow Kit by Anastasia Beverly Hills in shade Sugar. And I'm going to go ahead and pack this color right over there onto my higher point of cheekbones. And then apply a mascara. Alright you guys, so this right here is the finished look. I hope you guys had fun watching this. Definitely give this video a thumbs up to let me know, as well as subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. And for those who are new to my channel, welcome to my channel. My name is Arcy and I love makeup. Makeup is my hobby and that's why I'm here Wednesdays and Sundays. So I hope you stay tuned by hitting the subscribe down there, and I love you guys. Stay healthy, stay happy, keep smiling, make others smile, and wear a mask. Bye bye.